Here's what we've done so far on the first day of the suspension overhaul. We've completely removed all the tie rods and the I-beams themselves, as well as broken loose the motor mounts because they were pretty stuck on there.
We ended up having to cut out both the shocks because we couldn't get the top nuts off. The entire thing kept spinning, so it seemed like it was the only way. We kind of moved out of the way right now, but both I-beams are out. I'm going to deep clean these and then spray these with some Seal-It to, clean these up, make it look a little bit nicer because these things are work. The sway bar end links, these things were absolutely destroyed. Just take a look at these bushings. Both sides were looking like this.
Remember to check out our YouTube page. The link is in the bio if you want to see this in depth.